Hello, welcome to Otis Place. Today I'm going to show you how I make my aloe vera gel without a blender. I'm going to show you how to make two types, the thick one and the light one, and all this will be done without a blender. Aloe vera gel has several benefits for our hair and skin, so I'm going to show you how to make your own quick and easy aloe vera gel. We start off by washing our aloe vera, in fact by cutting it. I actually got this aloe vera from my in-laws. When you cut it, there's this yellow latex that comes out. I think it's called aloe. It can cause irritation to the skin, so you want to wash that out. You wash it properly, make sure it is properly washed so that you can start prepping. You don't want any impurities in your aloe vera. After washing it, it's just to cut it and make sure you cut the sharp spikes out. You don't want that part so that you don't get injured, just like so. After cutting the spikes, then you want to cut your aloe vera leaf just like I'm doing in the video. Make sure one side is very thin and then leave the gel to be on one side of the leaf. You can see that one side of the leaf has most of the gel, the other part has little to no gel. So we'll continue doing this until we finish. Put it in the plate. After doing that, now here is my aloe vera. I'm going to just use a spoon and scrape gently. You can see as we're scraping, the gel is coming off. You can also use the back of a knife to do this, the blunt side of a knife to do this. Aloe vera has so many health benefits. It's a rich source of antioxidants. It has minerals that help to protect your skin. Aloe vera has been shown to neutralize the harmful effects of UV rays. It helps to repair damaged skin that has been damaged by sunburn. Aloe vera helps to repair. It also helps to protect your hair from sun damage. It helps to soothe an irritated scalp. Aloe vera is also known to help prevent fine lines and wrinkles. Because of its soothing and cooling effect, aloe vera is used to soothe burns, used in the treatment of burns. Very effective. You can see how thick our gel is. So after extracting the gel, we're now going to filter it to make sure no particles enter. So I'm using a wig cap for this. It's an old one, I've used it several times. Going to gently squeeze out the gel. It's going to take a while, but just be patient. Yeah, you can see our gel coming out thick. This kind of consistency will be very good for detangling your hair. It will detangle your hair so good. You'll have so much sleep. If you're watching this video and you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. When you subscribe, click on the notification bell so that whenever I post a video, you'll be one of the first to get them. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, please. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. It helps YouTube know that you like my content, so they'll push it out to more people. Now to more benefits of aloe vera gel. Do you know that you can use aloe vera gel as your makeup remover? You can use it as a moisturizer for both your hair and skin. It can be used to soothe an irritated scalp. Just put some peppermint oil and your scalp will thank you. Now see how thick our gel is. This is so good. To the second type of gel I'm going to make, that's the light runny one. What we're just going to do is remove the aloe vera bits remaining in the quick cap, whatever you're using to strain the aloe vera. Put in some water and just mix it up and let your water stand for about 10 minutes just to soak up everything. And after 10 minutes you strain it again. You can see that this one's consistency will be lighter. It's not as viscous as the first one, but it's also aloe vera gel that you can use. This kind of one can be used to spray on your hair as a moisturizer. I can comfortably use this in a spray bottle, unlike the first one. That first one will be too thick to come out in a spray bottle comfortably. Oh, look at this aloe goodness. Aloe vera strengthens your hair strands. It helps combat hair loss. So guys, if you're not using aloe vera and you have access to it, I encourage you to try it out, as it's a natural way to take care of your skin and your hair. Let me know in the comment section, have you used aloe vera before? I'm sure you have many more benefits of aloe vera that you'd like to share with us in the comment section. Please feel free to do that. Here is our made aloe vera gel, the thick one. Here it is. So guys, yeah, that is the aloe vera gel. This is the finished product, your aloe vera gel without a blender, without any equipment. Good 100% pure aloe vera gel. So this is where this video is going to end for today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.